Needless to say, how hiking gear items ease up our hikes with maximum functionalities in such a balanced weight. Some interestingly innovative hiking gear essentials can uplift that experience even more. And that's why in this video, we'll discuss some coolest hiking gear essentials you should see. So lean back and enjoy.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Hoverglide is such an intelligent invention from lightning packs to ease up the carrying process on those hikes. Now, unlike any other conventional backpack, Hoverglide is the first one which literally hovers on its user's back. As a result, the impact we feel while moving gets reduced by 86%. Available in 4 different models, this backpack isn't only for day hikers or trekkers, but for commuters and tactical uses as well. Durable construction and smooth gliding mechanism make it way more effective on a hike. Here's the Prudo mesh. Nah, it's not a box of icebreakers, but a super helpful mesh communicator to keep your hiking buddies on the line. However, anyone will be astonished to learn how it alters every element of communication while hiking. Furthermore, this little communicator is the most portable one without sacrificing voice quality. And as a cherry on top, it has advanced noise suppression technology. Lastly, as it is entirely waterproof, users won't have to worry about sudden rains or adverse weather conditions. Wear Graphene Gamma Jacket is another fantastic innovation to keep anyone cozy on those hikes. As its name refers, this jacket is infused with 100% graphene for better heat management on those chilling hikes of winter. But that doesn't mean it becomes useless during summer, as this thin ultralight jacket is highly breathable for those sweaty adventures. 10 intelligently placed pockets provide ultimate practicality, while its controllable heat system and waterproofing make it even more helpful on those hikes. Illuminate those nighttime hikes with this Wubin EXO Night, a super compact one to keep inside your pocket. At first glance, anyone can think of it as a flimsy little flashlight for smaller tasks. But in reality, it can throw an intensely high beam as bright as 1100 lumens, illuminating the whole path ahead. Then comes its magnetic base, which can be very practical for mounting anywhere if needed. BN002. Another fantastic innovation from Beyond Nordic to lift up anyone's hiking experience. First thing anyone will love is its all-around zip-off design, which makes it easily transform into pair of shorts with zero effort. An integrated chip from Recco doesn't let its users go off the radar, making it a life-saving option for beginners. Top-notch stretching, premium waterproofing, and ventilation combine to make it a perfect choice for your next hike. This is the Mishmi Takin Jampui, a pair of waterproof hiking boots for a comfortable trek. Having an impressively breathable and lightweight construction, this pair of boots can effectively prevent sweatiness and foul odors. Plus, as these boots are waterproof, users won't have to worry about unexpected water crossings on their hikes. Comfortable footbed, blister-preventing capabilities, and top-notch water protection, nothing gets left behind with this Mishmi Takin Jampui. This water bottle, alike PEG stove, will cook some delicious meals on those hikes, needless of fire. To keep its users energetic on those hikes, this one can make some delicious treats with just a push of a button, thanks to its cutting-edge heating technology. Anyone will be impressed by the durable yet lightweight design and efficiency, and not to mention, a USB Type-C integration increases its adaptability. Meet the Pangea Eco Jacket, a more lightweight and practical jacket to tackle any adverse weather conditions on the go. Now, as its name refers, Eco Jacket is crafted from recycled bottles, making it an environment-friendly option for those hikes. Top-notch waterproofing isn't its only specialty, as anyone can fold it like this for maximum carrying convenience. It even features built-in gloves for those cold weather conditions. So that was our list of coolest hiking gear essentials you should see. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section. And please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, mailoutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.